Hi, my name is Keith Sorum, and I'm with Keller Williams Real Estate, and this is the Buyer's Market Update for people buying homes in Burbank for September 2008. Burbank is a great place to buy a home, and you might be interested to know that it's actually a pretty good real estate market contrary to what you see on TV or reading newspapers. This is the market starting last September. It took up in the spring and it continued to go up. As a matter of fact, contrary to some of the markets I monitor, Burbank's actually seen a pretty tremendous increase in activity. We had 66 new listings come on the market. We also had 66 listings go into escrow last month. That's pretty phenomenal. So, oddly enough, listing inventory, we ended the market with 234 listings. Last September, we had 383. So we're seeing a decline in inventory. What's happening with prices? Glad you asked. Here are the price per square foot. Started back here in September 2007. It's gone down. It's lost about 20% in value, which is about on par with other markets. So if you're thinking of buying a home, you've actually got sort of a conundrum because you've got less inventory, meaning you have fewer choices, but yet you've got prices going down when normally they should be going up. That may continue, but I would say Burbank, if you're thinking about buying, there probably are not that many homes that are really great. If you want help finding a great home, give me a call. My name is Keith Sorum. My number is 1-888-284-2056, or you can visit me online at www.beautifulburbankhomes.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.